Imagine this. You're chilling in the desert, sipping on a warm bottle of Coke, when suddenly, boom! Blinding light, a flying saucer lands, and a 6-foot-tall gray alien strolls out like he's late for a barbecue. And where does this all happen? Of course, America. Why is it that every time someone sees a UFO, it's either in Nevada, Arizona, or, surprise, Florida? Are aliens secretly obsessed with Walmart? Or maybe they just can't resist a good American diner? Today, we're digging into the question nobody asked, but everyone's thought. Why do aliens seem to only visit the US? Spoiler alert, it's not because they love fast food. Well, maybe just a little. Let's get the obvious out of the way. Hollywood basically owns the alien narrative. From E.T. to Independence Day to Men in Black, aliens and America go together like Area 51 and government denial. It's always the same. Some average Joe in a trailer park sees lights in the sky. His dog starts barking, and next thing you know, we've got a full-blown extraterrestrial invasion, complete with fighter jets and a heroic president giving a speech. But here's the thing. Cinema shapes belief. The more UFO stories we see centered in the US, the more people expect them to happen there. And surprise, they do. It's kind of like how Bigfoot only shows up in North America. Coincidence? Not really, just very enthusiastic American storytellers with too much free time and access to Photoshop. Media, mass hysteria, and the power of viral stories. Let's talk media. If an alien blinked in Europe, it might make local news. But if someone in Texas sees a weird light in the sky, it's on Fox, CNN, TikTok, and probably being reenacted on a History Channel documentary within 24 hours. America has a media amplification system on steroids. And when you mix that with a good old conspiracy-loving culture, you've got the perfect storm. Also, let's not forget that America invented the modern UFO craze with the Roswell incident in 1947, aka the moment the US said, "Let's make aliens mainstream." Since then, every weather balloon has been a flying saucer, and every blurry light in the sky is a Martian rave. Area 51. Government secrets and the conspiracy industrial complex. Of course, no alien video would be complete without a nod to Area 51, that mythical Nevada desert where supposedly Uncle Sam keeps all the crashed spaceships, alien corpses, and maybe even the recipe for intergalactic pancakes. But let's be real. Area 51 is more of a meme than a mystery at this point. People literally tried to raid it in 2019 because of a Facebook joke, and thousands showed up. That's how deep this rabbit hole goes. But here's the fun part. The US military isn't helping. They love being vague. Instead of saying, yeah, that was just a drone test, they go with, we cannot confirm nor deny the existence of anything. Classic. Add a few government redactions and a dramatic soundtrack, and suddenly you've got fuel for a decade of alien TikToks. Other countries do see UFOs, but here's the twist. Aliens aren't exclusive to the US. In fact, sightings happen all over the world. Brazil, Russia, Iran, Australia, you name it. But why don't we hear about those? Easy. Coverage bias. American media covers American stuff. And US stories are more likely to go viral because most major digital platforms, YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, X, are American. Also, let's be honest, nobody clicks on UFO seen in rural Finland unless the alien is juggling reindeer or doing the Macarena. And culturally, Americans are trained to believe in aliens. It's baked into the culture. School kids learn about Roswell. Tourists visit alien museums. Heck, some towns literally rebrand themselves as UFO hotspots. Are aliens actually real? The scientific take. Now, let's get a bit serious because, believe it or not, actual scientists do care about this stuff. The US government has even admitted to tracking unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs. Does that mean aliens are real? Nope. It just means there's stuff flying around that we can't immediately explain. Scientists argue that many sightings are drones, weather phenomena, or just plain optical illusions. But that doesn't mean life isn't out there. Statistically speaking, there are billions of potentially habitable planets. Life probably exists somewhere. But crossing galaxies to hover over a Walmart in New Mexico? Probably not high on their vacation list. Why? This myth persists. So why do people keep insisting aliens love America? Because it's fun, because it's weird, and because sometimes a little mystery is more entertaining than the truth. It gives us stories to tell, reasons to look up at the sky, and conspiracy theories to argue about on Reddit at 2 a.m. Aliens in America is less about facts and more about folklore. It's modern myth-making with laser beams and tinfoil hats. So, are aliens real? Maybe. Do they only visit the US? Probably not. But will that stop someone in Nevada from chasing a blinking light with a shaky iPhone camera? Never. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic reality check, hit that like button, subscribe to Debunk Factory, and remember, the truth is out there. But so is a whole lot of nonsense. Let's figure it out together, one absurd theory at a time.